Last time we discussed a weakness in this central mechanism here as a result of a missing spring up here. This time we're going to discuss the another cause of a weakness in the central mechanism, which is that there are parts inside there which are broken. In order to see which parts are broken inside this mechanism, we need to first remove this metal stopper such that we can take apart the mechanism. To do this, you can begin by cutting electrical tape about strips that are about this large, yes, about half my finger, and then placing them all around and as far under the metal rim as possible. This will allow you to safely work with a screwdriver without doing too much damage to the way the plastic looks, because there's a plastic rim that surrounds this metal plate. You can now use flat-headed screwdrivers to begin to pry up this. I usually just take a whole handful of flat-headed screwdrivers of different sizes and begin to work in from the side and lift and twist until I can eventually pop it off. There are two parts. This part you see is the top part, a metal stopper, and beneath that is a metal ring, and both need to come off using screwdrivers. Okay, now I've managed to remove the metal stopper, which underneath looks like this. It has these teeth, which I will flatten before I put it back on, and below the metal stopper is a metal ring that also has teeth. In this case, this one was already broken, which is kind of dumb. I hope you were more careful with your screwdriver. I have replacements, luckily. Okay, then we can lift off this part here and see what's inside. And as you can see, there is a plastic piece we can take off. And underneath there are two metal pieces. And these should both be connected here on pegs. But in this case, the faulty piece is this piece. Many times it's the metal parts that are broken or bent. In addition, this part itself can be broken. I have brought another one for you to see. It's broken here, you see. So you need to check over everything thoroughly and then oil it with WD-40 and put it back together the same way that you took it apart. And I'll show you that now. I'm going to start by spraying a little WD-40 in here. Then we're going to flip the whole stroller over because it's easier to do the rest looking at this side. Now I have a new one of these pieces with both pegs. There is a little hole here, and that hole needs to go over this metal peg that goes on this wire that extends up into the handle. Place these two pieces back on, and they go such that they can extend out of these grooves in the sides. To test that you have put it on correctly, you need to try this button here and see that when you push it, it pulls these inside. Now you can spray a little bit more. Then you can place this part back over the pole and pull it tightly together, and then flip the whole stroller back over to complete the process. So at the end then you want to remove all of the tape, and then you need to straighten out the teeth of these parts with a pair of pliers. Then you can place this on top and try to push it down a bit. You can use a pair of pliers as such, and a hammer. Then you can put this last piece on top. And the trick with this piece, to not damage the roundness of it, is to use a tablespoon, which you then press over and bang tightly on with a hammer. Now, testing it, you can see that it provides solid resistance. Thank you.